my syrup.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Wow.
Blah, blah, blah,
That's
blah,
the
blah.
first, like,
Molly's
real
like, give me some.
Oh
no, we were talking about you're fucking chugged.
You don't chug it, you're
Hey, if you don't chug it, you're not real American. I thought this was America.
Are you a fucking idiot, man? Why are you still chugging that? Are you serious? Hey, it's all serious?
Faster.
Oh, come on, you got those pussy ass guys.
I thought this was America.
I thought this was America.
This is America.
Oh, go, girlfriend. Awesome, dude. Oh my god. I can't believe you
Chris Stocking, clear the table out, Chris.
Dude, you told me to do it. I'm sorry. I'm doing it.
Yo, Quack, wig, fucking bro. Yo, hit this shit. The fucking wig is going on.
Are you okay? Whatever you want. Are you sure?
Yeah.
That was disgusting.
I can't believe you did that, Holy shit.
I never thought it was gonna be that gross until I did it.
Oh
I can't.
Dude, I need a beer.
He needs a fucking beer.
Dude, that was awesome, dude. I can't believe you did
Fuck
that, dude.
yeah.
Deeper you into that.
Internet superstar tomorrow, really.
Seriously, that was sick,
Dude
dude.
chugs bottle of syrup for no reason.
No reason. Dude, I should have chugged it longer though. That's
The only reason is because he's awesome.
Thankful. I'm so
It's
glad
the only reason is
that
because
syrup-
it's Shea. That's the only fucking way to describe
Listen,
that.
I'm sorry about your syrup.
I don't care.
Yeah, that's all her syrup.
I don't even care about your syrup.
It isn't syrup, it's just high
What if,
Oh, the belly!
what if I throw up just on pancakes? Excuse me.
If you could that'd be great.
That's too much, dude. I can't
So much sugar in my
I
system.
know. Where's that bottle, dude? Where's that bottle? Look at that bottle. Find the bottle, dude. It's gotta be around.
I do. I opened it once.
Look how many grams of sugar in that shit, dude.
Wow, thank you God. Chris Stocking is fucking dead.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, this is. I'm so glad that you and I are both in Philly.
I know. Oh, you're not feeling alright, are you?
I'm burping out fucking maple leaves.
Chug a bottle of syrup.
I'm going outside.
Seriously, that bottle just. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's right here. It's
I want to see it. How much did you drink? Oh my god. Seriously?
40 grams. He seriously drank that whole fucking thing. Dude.
Look at you're filming it. You're such
I've been
a
filming the whole fucking time. I got that whole chug on film. That was.
I'll clean it.
What a fucking bitch.
Okay, I'll cook it.
What'd she say to you?
Huh?
What'd she say to you?
I'll cook it.
I didn't want to go
No, pause, fuck this, fuck Shea, go, no, you gotta come over here, you gotta go, come film this.
Cornered. Kayla did
You
this.
said press pause.
I want some. No. I want some. No. I want some. No. Give me some. Give me some.